Today we are going to be creating a getting to know you portrait. That way we can get to know each other. So we're going to make a picture that's based on some of the things that you like. Now, our first thing we're going to draw is yourself. We have a person already started a little bit for you. Before you start drawing yourself, you're going to want to write your name on your paper where it says name. I wrote Munt because that's my last name. I'm Miss Munt. When I start drawing myself, the first thing I like to draw is my eyebrows. Those are just two horizontal lines. You can make them a little bit curved. I'm then going to create my nose. And it almost is like the letter B, but we don't put the back on it. For the mouth, I make a curved horizontal line, or you could say a stretched out letter U. For the eyes, I start off with ovals, and then I start to put circles inside it. Once you have your eyes, I like to fill in the black part of my eye, but leaving a little bit of space so I have some light, so a little tiny white circle. To create the hair, you want to think about what your hair looks like. How long is your hair? Is it medium length? Is it short? Is it long? How do you wear your hair? I'm going to draw mine where I'm wearing braids because it's been really hot in Texas and I've been putting my hair up in braids. So I start by making some curved lines and then I bring my hair going down on both sides because I have my hair in two braids. Once I finish making me, my next step is to go to another one of the things about me. On the chair, you're going to want to write your age. I'm writing mine. Since you're in kinder or first grade, chances are yours will be either 5, 6, or 7. You're writing it on the chair. Next, you're going to want to think about your favorite food. Is it a breakfast food? Is it a lunch food? Is it a dinner food? What type of food is it? Is it something that you eat on a plate? Or is it something that you eat on a bowl? I'm going to be drawing tacos on my plate. In the bowl, I put my favorite cereal, which is shredded wheat. Think about your favorite food. Is it a hamburger? Is it ice cream? Is it more savory? Is it more sweet? Other examples could be French fries, corn dogs, pizza. On the cereal box, you're going to draw your favorite sport. My favorite sport is swimming. Maybe yours is riding a bike, dancing, soccer, tennis, basketball, hiking, running. Think about your favorite sport and start to draw it. Figure out if you want to draw it with a person or maybe you want to draw it with having the sports balls or icons that might represent that sport for you. Maybe you're like my nieces who like Taekwondo. So maybe you have somebody in karate gear drawn on your cereal box. Next, you're going to think about your favorite drink. We're going to draw that in the cup. My favorite drink is milk boba tea. Right now I'm drawing the little boba balls and then I'm adding the kind of the chocolatey stuff that they have in it that mixes with the milk. Maybe your favorite drink could be a soda or a lemonade. Maybe it's a type of milk like strawberry milk. Maybe it's a type of juice. On the book, you're going to draw one of your favorite books you read. I'm drawing The Jedi Path. That's the book I read over the summer. Maybe you like Cat in the Hat. Maybe you like Dinosaurs Love Tacos. Think about what is your favorite book and draw it on the picture. On the lunchbox, you're going to draw your favorite TV show or movie. This summer I was all into Star Wars stuff, so I was watching Obi-Wan Kenobi, I watched the Clone Wars and Rebels, so I'm drawing Obi-Wan Kenobi with a lightsaber. Maybe you like shows that are on Disney, maybe you like shows that are on Nickelodeon. Maybe there was a show that was in the movie theater like Minions that you like. Think about what your favorite show was and draw it on the lunchbox. On the table, you're going to draw your favorite color. If you know how to write the word of your favorite color, go ahead and write the word. Once you finish creating your picture about you, take your crayons and start coloring it in. Try to stay in the lines the best that you can, coloring in neatly and completely. Thinking about the different colors of things, thinking about the color of you. Do you have brown hair or blonde hair? Are you going to be using a peach, brown, or tan for your skin? Think about your favorite color of your shirt. Think about your background. Once you have it all colored in, we'll get to share out about ourselves and our picture.